Experiencing frequent signal loss with your Spectrum cable box? Let's troubleshoot the common culprits: coax cables, splitters, and signal levels. First, check all coax cable connections for tightness and damage. Poor connections can drastically reduce signal strength. Look for corrosion or kinks that weaken the cable. Ensure you're using high-quality RG6 cables rated for 75 ohms impedance. Next, examine your splitter setup. Each splitter reduces signal strength by 3 to 6 dB per port. Minimize their use to avoid weakening signals. For multiple devices, consider using an amplified splitter that boosts the signal. Finally, understand your signal levels measured in dBmV. Optimal levels are +5 to +15 dBmV for stable reception. Anything below -15 dBmV can cause pixelation or signal loss. Use Spectrum's signal strength meter or virtual assistant to diagnose your signal. If levels are consistently low, it might indicate an issue with Spectrum's infrastructure or require a technician visit. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, consider these advanced fixes. Verify proper grounding to eliminate electrical interference. In some cases, relocating your equipment closer to the cable entry point can minimize signal attenuation. If you suspect outdated equipment, contact Spectrum for a potential equipment swap. Be aware of environmental factors. Extreme weather can damage Coax cables, prompting Spectrum to invest in weatherproof installations. Looking ahead, Spectrum is phasing out pure coax in favor of DOCSIS 4.0 and fiber optic networks. By 2027, DOCSIS 4.0 promises higher speeds and fewer signal drops. Streaming alternatives, like Spectrum's own app and YouTube TV, are also becoming increasingly reliable options. AI-driven diagnostics in cable boxes are on the horizon, enabling proactive signal adjustments. While coax will persist in some rural areas, the overall trend points to improved signal reliability with wider fiber adoption.